Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming that headings and captions use word styles so cross-references point to stable targets. Open the Insert Cross-Reference dialog, choose the reference type, and pick whether you want the page number, paragraph text, or label and number. Insert the reference. Repeat for each target. Do this now because manual text breaks when content shifts, and numbered captions ensure sequences update automatically. Once you have several refs inserted, make sure every caption is the same style to avoid missed links later. Once you have inserted references, force Word to recalculate by selecting All Ctrl+A and pressing F9. This updates visible cross-references and numbered sequences. If something looks wrong, toggle field codes with Alt+F9 to inspect REF or SEQ fields and confirm they point to the expected labels. Make sure to update headers and footers too, open each and run F9 inside them. If your document uses a table of contents, update it after fields so the TOC reflects the refreshed reference numbers and pages. To finish, view print preview or export to PDF since pagination affects page number references. Then do a final Ctrl+A and F9 to solidify numbers. If a reference remains broken, delete its field and reinsert the cross-reference so it binds to the correct caption. This fixes stray bookmarks. For large files, consider a small macro that saves, updates all fields, updates the TOC, and saves again to avoid human error. If things go wrong, recheck field codes to find missing bookmarks or misnamed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.